Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. And if you are returning, thank you so much for the love and support. According to Bulobedi tradition, initiation and coronation ceremonies cannot be held in the same year. Thousands of boys and girls in Limpopo will not be circumcised this year, after the Mujaji royal councillor and family asked that no initiation schools, Koma, be held in Bulobedi Kingdom. The clan, with more than 1.1 million people from 132 villages, suspended the initiations to respect its tradition ahead of Queen Masalanabo Mujaji coronation. And batho ba Mujaji ba tsebiwa ka ho nesa pula. The 25-year-old Mujaji took over the reins of the Bolobedu Kingdom after the death of her mother. President Cyril Ramaphosa recognized Masalanabo as the queen in December 2024. In a letter to the Limpopo Provincial Initiation Coordinating Committee, the royal family said, "It is customary in Bolobedu culture that all initiation schools be suspended during the year in which a ruler is appointed. This practice allows the new ruler to ascend to the throne and perform the necessary rituals before the initiation schools are reopened." Thank you so much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.